Listen up, I'm about to let you in on something that changed my life. Being a CEO, running a beauty empire, staying creative, and keeping my energy up, it's not just luck. It's not just talent. It's a formula. It's a rhythm. It's a set of daily non-negotiable habits that keep me thriving. And today, I'm gonna break it down for all of you.
This is a shot right here.
But here's the gag. It's not just about business. It is about you. Whether you're building a brand, chasing a dream, or just trying to level up your life, the 5 things that I'm gonna tell you will change the way that you move, think, and glow up inside and out. And trust me, girl, you're gonna wanna wait until the very end because the last one is the key that ties everything together. So grab a snack and let's get comfy because success isn't just about what you do, it's about what you do every single day. Let's get into it. 5 a.m. Listen, I thought I'd never be that person. The one who wakes up before the sun, before the emails, before the chaos. But let me tell you this has changed everything. I used to start my day at 9 or 10 a.m., rolling straight into work, straight into the meetings, straight into the madness. But waking up early, it gave me something that I didn't even know I was missing. Time for me. Time to move, time to breathe, and time to think. And let me be real, it is hard. It is so much easier to scroll, hit snooze, and to say, I'm gonna start tomorrow. I wanna go home. But the truth is, when I give myself this time, I literally start my day feeling ready, not reactive, not rushed, but ready for me. As a CEO, as a creator, as a human, we can't pour from an empty cup. So if waking up early is what it takes to fill mine first, then baby, I'm setting that alarm because it's worth it. Listen, if you want to build something great, you cannot do it alone. I always say you can go fast alone or you can go far together. Your team, they're everything. The people you work with, the people you trust, the people who challenge you to be better, they make the vision happen. Today we are shooting for our powder milk glass setting spray. You guys, I am so excited for this launch. You guys aren't ready, but it took a lot to get here. And let me tell you, this isn't just about pretty pictures. To me, when planning a shoot like this, it's about storytelling. It's about execution. It's literally about making sure that every detail is right. And that not only just takes a team that works hard, but thinks hard. When it comes to building your dream, you don't just hire people who are talented. Hire people you enjoy working with, people that you tolerate. Find people who are great thought partners to you. Yes, skill is important, but chemistry, that's the magic that makes it all come together.
So storyboard will start with this really beautiful continuous shot that you have where you're gonna be fully matte and the reflection is going to be of you. We're going to do a very quick pan, and when you pan over, it's going to be you with glassy skin, and that will be your matte skin to start.
The music?
Yeah, the music helps so much. I can hear how many seconds or half seconds will help with each shot. Well, with the teaser that we're going to do is going to be ASMR. We do pre-tease, tease, and then a full campaign reveal. The full campaign is going to be no ASMR sound. It's going to be just like beautiful music. And then the tease will be the sound effects, and then the pre-tease will be just the music and some really fierce just visuals of like the kaleidoscope. So that's going to be the opening shot.
One size, you're not ready. Yeah! And I'm like, what are you doing? When I tell you I love my team, I love them. Surround yourself with people who push you, who get you, who want you to win. Because when you build with the right people, the vision doesn't just come to life. It literally exceeds your wildest dreams. Let me tell you something. Failing to plan is planning to fail. And trust me, I have learned that the hard way. What you guys are seeing right now, this just didn't happen overnight. The shoot, the vision, this moment, it took days, it took weeks, it took hours of planning. So planning is so important. Every creative choice, every investment, every little detail, it was all mapped out so that today could go off without a hitch. But here's the thing, planning isn't just about work, it's about everything. Even your days off should be planned. Why? Because time for yourself doesn't just magically appear, you have to make it. One of the biggest keys to planning successfully is to start your day off right. That's why earlier I talked about health and mindset, because it created time and space for me to think and to efficiently execute a plan. Because if your mind isn't clear, you can't plan effectively. And if I don't have the right people around me, all the planning in the world won't matter. So for all of you watching, here's a practical tip. Maybe every night before you go to bed, write 3 things down that are important to you, so that way when you wake up the next morning, you'll have had it in your brain and you can start with that while you have time for yourself in the morning, and that will be the first thing that you wake up with, and you feel empowered to achieve those goals and those tasks because you said that the night before. So with that being said, plan your life like $1 million photo shoot, because you are the most important subject of your life. And baby, we don't do winging it over here. We do execution, period. Being a CEO isn't just about running a brand. It's about knowing why you do it. It's about purpose and it's about mission. So focus on purpose and mission. I chose to be here. I chose this path. And that means every single day, I have to align myself with why I chose to be here and why I chose this path. It's not just about creating products, it's about creating opportunities. It's about representation, and it's about making sure the people that I work with, the people that I uplift, and the people that I stand next to reflect the world that we live in.
Hi guys, my name is Fo. I'm an influencer and now I'm a model, and I am also the face of One Size's new campaign. It feels so good to be on set with One Size because I absolutely adore the brand, I adore the founder, and I adore everybody that works for the brand. So everybody just made me feel really comfortable today and I loved it. It feels really cool to be representation because I'm somebody that just never saw myself doing something like this. So I can imagine that people that look like me that also kind of feel like that may not see themselves in a space like this. And I'm just glad to be here. I'm just glad to show people that it's possible. If I can do it, trust me, you can too.
So you're the face of Powder Belt.
Stop, don't say that.
Stop, don't say that. Yeah. Folake is here today because to me, she has something special. She's meant to be here. And that's what makes working at One Size worth it. It's being able to share the space with people who deserve it, who earned it, who represent the future of beauty. You guys, this job is not easy. Being a CEO is not easy. Being yourself and living day to day isn't easy. It comes with stress, it comes with long nights, it comes with obstacles, but you can't be mad at life when you are in control. We decide how we handle things. We decide what we stand for. And for me, my mission is clear. It's to create a world where beauty has no limits. And it's tough, but I do have to remind myself that every single day when I catch myself at being mad or upset at something. So if you find yourself being mad, remind yourself, why am I doing this? Why did I sign up to be here? And hopefully you can realign your center and be reminded of your purpose and your mission. Before I lay my head down at night, before I step into another day of building, leading, and creating, I remind myself of something so simple, so important. I am human first. And I'm here to remind you too. It is so easy to get caught up in the hustle, the brand, the deadlines, the goals, the decisions, everything. But at the end of the day, I have to take off the hat as a CEO. Not because I don't love what I do, but because if I don't realign and recenter, I lose sight of why I do it in the first place. I'm a son, I'm a brother, I'm a friend, and these moments, they ground me. They prime my mind for the next morning, and when I wake up with myself again, I'm ready to take on another day. You have to give yourself these moments because you are not your job 24/7, and you shouldn't be. So this is your reminder. Don't recognize your wins, recognize yourself. The person beyond the job, the person beyond the grind, because you're worth celebrating. vibrating just as you are. And this right here, this is what it's all about. It's about your health and your mindset. It's about the people. It's about planning. It's about purpose. And it's about recognizing that you are human at the end of the day. They're not for just CEOs. They're for anyone who wants to step into their power, take control of their life, and move with intention. And just like a good old setting spray that locks in your makeup, these 5 principles are what lock in your key to success to becoming a CEO of your own life. And right here, right now, I'm here to remind you that you are the CEO of your life, your dreams, right now. So go out there, live it and breathe it, and apply these 5 things to your life, your career, your passion, and watch how it changes your life. And speaking of things that change your life, the Powder Melt Glass Setting Spray. Literally, it's that girl. It is coming out soon. I'm so excited for you guys to see this on your skin. It's beautiful. It is gorgeous. I did post a video on all the ingredients and everything, so I hope you guys check this out. I believe in you, I love you, I trust you, and I hope this video today truly resonated with you in some way as a gift from me to you. I love you guys so much. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.
This is the #1 powder melt dance. Okay, so I need to see y'all do it.